What's up YouTube world? Welcome in or welcome back. We're going to get straight into today's bold monochromatic makeup tutorial. Stick around until the end of the video to see more pictures of the completed look. So today we're going for a strong blown out eye and bold contouring contrast. I've completed one side of my face to show you how it'll look, so let's get started on the other side. I'm going to use this light cream eyeshadow with this pencil brush for the highlight under the brow to get started. I'm going to use this palette by Revolution, starting with this light pink with this eyeshadow brush for the first colour application, using a buffing motion from the crease up to the brow bone, creating a rounded edge. For the next colour application, I'm going to use this light plum and another eyeshadow brush using the same technique, but applying slightly lower than the first colour and applying under the lower lash line. For the third colour application, I'm going to use this dark plum with another eyeshadow brush, using the same technique, but focusing mostly through the crease, under the lash line and on the inner and outer corner of the eye. I'm now going to use dark plum and a little black together with a slim brush, and again focusing through the crease, the inner and outer corners of the eye and under the lash line. I'm now going to use the stunning MAC Monochromatic Green Plum eyeshadow with a flat brush. Use some tissue to catch any fallout. I'm now going to use a liner brush and apply a little of the monochrome eyeshadow to the inner and lower corner of the eye. Now grab your black eyeliner and pop this into your waterline. Instead of liquid liner, we're going to use black eyeshadow and a short angled brush to line the upper lash line and also buff this into the lower lash line. Now we're done with the eyes, you can give your lashes a decent coating of mascara. Now instead of bronzer, I'm going to use this MAC Dark Plum blusher with this brush and apply it just under the cheekbones. I'm now going to use this MAC Plum shimmer blusher with this brush and place this on the cheekbones. I'm now going to contour the hairline and temples using a warm bronzer and a large fluffy brush and then a fan brush for the nose. You can now pop on your fake lashes. If you're like me and have long nails, then I would suggest using tweezers to help. I'm now going to use this MAC highlighter called Soft and Gentle with this liner brush and apply it to the inner corners of the eyes, under the brow, and use this brush for the cheekbones and nose. Grab your liner brush again and apply the highlighter to your Cupid's bow. I'm now going to use a MAC lip liner called Vino and a MAC lipstick called Media, and then I'm just going to pop on a little gloss over the top of that. So that's going to do it for today. If you got something out of this tutorial, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions about today's look, then give me a follow on Instagram, send me a DM and I'll be happy to help with any questions that you might have. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome. Until the next one.